Dr Rameshshanker, can you tell me why I'm always burping?
Burping is one of the commonest symptoms that we come across in gastroenterology outpatients. It is often associated with flatulence. It could be caused by various reasons. One of the common reasons are food intolerance, such as wheat or gluten intolerance. Sometimes it is caused by a bug called Helicobacter pylori, which causes an inflammation of your lining of the stomachs. Sometimes it is completely an unrelated issue that causes these symptoms, such as gallstone disease. If your symptoms persist, come and see a gastroenterologist. They could do an appropriate investigations and treat your symptoms.